Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this lab, we're taking things one step further by automating incident response using Microsoft Sentinel. Up to now, we focus on detecting and investigating threats, but in a real SOC environment, speed matters, and that's where automation comes in. So instead of manually responding to every alert, we can configure Sentinel to automatically take actions the moment an incident is created. This is where transition go from detecting threats to actually responding to a real SOC analyst. So first thing we're going to do is in my Microsoft Defender portal, from here, I'm going to Sentinel, configuration, and automation. This is where we can create rules that automatically respond to incidents. So first, I'll create a rule. Let's go to create, automation rule. I'm going to name this rule auto respond to failed login attempts. I'm going to set a trigger. So when an alert is created, this means that anytime a new incident is generated, this rule has potential to run. So I'm going to add a condition. So my condition is going to be analytics rule name, operator. So I want this equals to multiple failed login attempts. Now I'll configure my actions. So I'll select update alert. We want this to be in progress. And so for this, we want this assigned to us as soon as it's created and ready for investigation without any manual effort. So I'll assign it to me. And then that's pretty much it. So we'll create a rule. So once the rule is created, to test this, I'll simulate multiple failed login attempts. We've done our testing using our test account. We're going to verify that the automation rule is working. So from our Defender portal, we're going to go to Incident and Alerts. And from here, we can see that a new alert has been generated from our multiple failed login attempt detection rule. So let's go ahead and open the most recent incident. Here we can see the alert details, including the rule that triggers it, and the related query showing the results from the failed login attempts, as we can see here. This is the query that showed the So this confirmed that our automation rule is working as expected. So what's happening here is that once the alert is created, the automation rule immediately updates the alert and assigns it for investigation, reducing manual effort. As you can see here, it's already in progress and it's already assigned to me as we had set that from our automation rule. So in this lab, we successfully created an automated response workflow that detects suspicious activity and automatically prepares it for investigation, just like a real SOC environment. And this is how security team use automation in Microsoft Sentinel and Defender to respond faster and reduce alert fatigue. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see more security and Azure videos like this, subscribe to the playlist below, and I'll see you guys next time. And that's it for today.